What's up, people, and welcome back to a new stream here once again on the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again to this amazing stream, guys. I am already looking forward how this day will be ending, of course, because Bitcoin is, of course, very exciting. The cryptocurrency space is today once again very exciting, and in this live stream we will be going into every single request. What will be coming in by you, of course. But also, I will be going into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, of course. We are seeing it absolutely skyrocketing to the upside. And of course, we were anticipating that purely as well. And guys, there are so many things to discuss, so let's go right away into the charts of Bitcoin. And I see everyone is shooting in here. I see already people are saying, hey, bro, can you check Litecoin? Yes, of course. Earlier today, I was also making these updates, guys, in these quick videos because I couldn't stream by them. But I thought, okay, just let make a quick update about the market. So, guys, if you're interested in that as well, tomorrow I will be doing exactly the same. Later in the day, I will be streaming, but first, early in the day, I will be making quick updates about the market. So that's already a thing that you can be expecting from me. But guys, still, people are right now thinking, do we have to be careful with Bitcoin? Is this a reason to freak out here? Is this a reason to go out of Bitcoin? Do we have to go to altcoins? Yes, it's definitely a good question, and we will be discussing this, of course. So, what are we having with Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is still currently not doing anything interesting. Will accumulation is what we are currently seeing here. So it's also looking like an inverse head and shoulders. And of course, earlier today, keeping you guys up to date what I was thinking about the market, but inverse head and shoulders is in the play right now. In my opinion, this is of course a very beautiful inverse head and shoulders, and the price target can still be very bullish to the upside. So the very thing that we are seeing right now is that we are retesting this resistance line for so many times right now, guys. And once again, we got a rejection from this line. We retested it, but we got rejected. But we will be trying to test it another time, in my opinion. But guys, once we are retesting this supportive line, once again, there will be only less and less resistance that can hold us back here. Because the more times you're testing a certain level of support, the more likely it will be that you're going to crush through this level and that we're going to smash through a new all-time high. So this, of course, scenario that I'm looking to see, and look at this accumulation, of course. This was past weekend, and it was very exciting what we were having over here, because we were seeing a lot of accumulation, and on the Monday we, of course, dropped off a little bit on the Sunday. I mean, so yeah, let's see what we're going to do for the coming week. And still, I did a tweet that we were going to set a new all-time high in 5 days, and still, I have still 2 more days before setting a new all-time high, and I think Bitcoin can really set a new all-time high in the coming 2 days, guys. I think the coming 2 days will be very exciting, so let's see what we were going to have here. But I still definitely think you have to be bullish on Bitcoin, and I should not be flipping bearish. And of course, if we look to CoinMarketCap, you can also see Binance hitting $400 guys. $400 for Binance coin. That's absolutely insane. And of course, Binance coin is not the only coin that's doing very good. You have QDM, Bitcoin Gold, XRP, and I can't go forward about this, of course. And I see everyone also talking about what is AD doing, but we will be going into AD as well here. Give me a moment. But yeah, inverse head and shoulders is really the scenario that I will be looking at. And if we go to a little bit of a lower time frame, guys, first I was thinking maybe we're seeing some kind of a bull flag getting played out here. But since now holding on to the support line, yeah, we were seeing a stealth rejection to the downside. And if I flip this to the 4-hour, you can see we still have 6 minutes, and maybe we can have a perfect 4-hourly close above this W structure. That would be, of course, very important for me. I would certainly love to see this Bitcoin price, of course, closing above this previous resistance in this this minor dump off. That would be still very good. So let's see what we can do here in these last 6 minutes of the 4-hourly close. And you guys know it. I always tell you guys, the last 10 minutes of these 4-hourly candle closes are usually one of the most volatile moments of these of these candle close. So also what we can see here is previously we were getting stopped out by this level over here, and this was also a thing that I want to discuss here. This level, you can see here, one touch over here, another touch over here, another touch over here, and this is also providing us a lot of support, previously also providing us resistance. But I will be not wrong that in this chart, but it is looking like that we are finding support. Let's see if we can really bounce back to the upside. That will be, of course, very important in my opinion, and also would love to see it, of course. So, what we're also having here, if I zoom out a little bit here, because I still think this is very important to zoom out of the chart. What are we seeing right now? We are still seeing that we are in a symmetrical triangle here. And of course, we gained another rejection from this level. So, the third rejection, and I do think if we're going to see another rejection, another move up here, I definitely think the next time that we will be retesting the next time that we will be retesting this resistance line, guys, I think we will be breaking it. So this is, of course, very exciting, and I will be going into the request, guys. But first, I want to discuss Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the main topic, and Bitcoin is, of course, the main indicator. And what I do think what is happening right now is, of course, you can see a massive red candle on Bitcoin, and there are so many altcoins that right now are benefiting from it. And this is the thing that we are right now seeing. Money is going out of Bitcoin into altcoins. And we are discussing this so many times here, guys, because we know how the cycle works. And first, you can see Bitcoin is, of course, gaining a lot of valuation. And once Bitcoin is slowing down here, people see the altcoin gains. And what we are right now having is just the retailers, they are selling their Bitcoin off. They're trying to accumulate some altcoins. But what in the end of the day will be happening here is that these whales are right now accumulating your Bitcoin. And I'm not saying that you're doing a wrong thing here, because yes, the altcoins will be gaining a lot of valuation, and I do think, the preseason we can already call this Altseason in my opinion. Right now, it's looking very good for altcoins. But what we are basically seeing here is a little bit of a sell-off, because people are shifting into altcoins, and there are a lot of wheels right now accumulating. And I'm not worried about Bitcoin. Still looking at the symmetrical triangle here, but once Bitcoin is, of course, going to new all-time highs, I definitely think these altcoins will be slowing down for a second, because then people will be seeing that Bitcoin is moving quite a lot, and they will be buying into Bitcoin, of course. So, very exciting what we're going to have. Very exciting what we're going to have here. So let's go into the Bitcoin dominance real quickly. Quickly going to give an update about the Bitcoin dominance, and after this, we'll be going into Ethereum, and then we will be going to the other altcoins, guys. So if you're liking the stream here, make sure to right away smash up these likes, guys. Right now, currently watching with 600 viewers, and we are right now also having 64 likes. So can we smash it up to 200 likes? Can we smash it up to 200 likes, guys? That would be amazing. Would be absolutely amazing if we can do so. But like we were talking about this level previously as well, I wanted to wait for a confirmation before really clearing this line on the 3-day close. So yes, we closed below this level, and what I do believe what is going to play out for Bitcoin right now here is, in my opinion, of course, a very bearish wave. A very bearish wave is for Bitcoin in the play here. And I definitely think that we will be heading way lower for the Bitcoin dominance. So I will be looking forward to it, of course, because I'm an altcoin. I love altcoins. I'm more exposed to altcoins. And I definitely think the gains are also being made at the altcoins. But once day trading, I like to trade Bitcoin, guys. So yes, this is looking very good for the altcoins. And maybe a thing, what we can be seeing here, if Bitcoin is going to set a new all-time high, maybe the Bitcoin dominance can be curving up a little bit more to the upside, have a perfect retest of this level, and this will be really the confirmation, guys. This is very strong support. Probably will be flipping into resistance, so maybe we're going to see something like this, because yes, we're already getting oversold here in the altcoin dominance, and also forming a bullish divergence even. So of course, on the Bitcoin dominance is not really important bullish or bearish divergence, but yes, we are extremely going down very fast. Usually, it tends to cool off. It's not going down in a straight line. So of course, here we have it, but this is really Altseason. But I do think Altseason is still, we can still see better gains. We're just still starting off here, so looking forward to it. So let's look at the price section of Ethereum, guys. Let me check the chat as well here. So I smashed it up, so that's very cool. Hello from Israel. Thank you for tuning in from Israel. That's dedication. That is indeed dedication. Yeah, Cheryl, dedicated, man. You're watching while eating. Absolute legend, of course. So what are we having with the price section of Ethereum? And Ethereum is consolidating around these levels, guys. And this is very interesting what we are having. So I do want to raise awareness, because Ethereum is creating very huge bearish divergences, because what we are currently having here is, of course, for hourly RSI is cooling off, the momentum of the buyers is cooling off, but still the price is going higher. So yeah, this is of course bearish divergence. I definitely think that we can be going higher, but I also want to set a new high in the RSI, so definitely looking forward to it. But guys, once again, perfect retest of the previous all-time high. This is a thing that I love to see here. Once again, this perfect retest, and previously also this perfect symmetrical triangle. And we were discussing this as well on this video. Where will Bitcoin bounce? Quick update, guys. And we were discussing it over there as well. So definitely make sure, if you're new to the channel, to subscribe right now already, because we're also very close for only 11 subscribers away from 30.8K. So looking forward to it. So I have to take a water here. I'm getting very exciting, of course. So also we'll be looking at the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. So if I look to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, let me look at this chart, guys, because this is very interesting. We were discussing this already for multiple times here. But yeah, quickly what to say it once again here, taking out this previous high over here. You can see this box, this gray box, was acting as resistance. But since we were curving back to the upside, since we were finding support at the lower side, of course, we smashed through this gray box of resistance. And since we were breaking above it, we were retesting it as support. And right now, in my opinion, yes, we're going to move higher. And maybe you're wondering, what is your target to the upside? It will be still another approximately 50% increasement to the upside, because if I look to this chart is of course showing me the significance where I should be watching here for the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, because Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is always moving in waves, and it looks like that we are right now starting a new up wave, and the up wave can be still a game of approximately 34%. So I will be looking here. I will be looking forward to see where Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is heading towards, but it is looking extremely bullish. And guys, let me discuss XRP real quickly. So let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat, guys. Do take a brief. Wait, I will get some water here, by the way. Always getting some water, guys. And by the way, guys, let me know who got exposed to XRP just a few days ago, because we were discussing this. We were discussing this multiple times here on the channel, and let me know real quickly, because I was telling about this possibility of a scenario that the price action of XRP can be copying the exact same what it was doing previously as well. So maybe you're wondering, what were we doing previously with the price action of XRP? And I will be once again saying it, because I will be not counter-speaking myself. I was always saying I don't really like XRP, but of course, let's say 4 or 5 days ago, I was looking to the chart, because I don't really look to the chart of XRP that often, but I thought, okay, let's look at the chart. And I was seeing this. I was seeing the exact same playing out what we were seeing in 2017. I see people saying yes, yes, yes. A lot of people, very good to hear. And guys, we were discussing this because people can say it whatever they want, but the chart doesn't lie. The chart doesn't lie. And we were talking about this possibility of the exact same happening once again. And what are we seeing over here? I think, and I will be still saying it, I think that XRP can be heading towards the $3 once again in just a matter of, let's say, 3 or 5 weeks. And I also made this quick update on the channel about the XRP. XRP going to $3 in 3 weeks. And yes, $3 in 3 weeks can be the possibility, but don't take me wrong if it maybe can be taking 6 weeks as well here. So I definitely think that XRP is going to do the exact same here. It's going to go absolutely parabolic here to the upside. Because, yeah, this pattern is just so similar. And it looks like that Altseason, guys, is really here. And people are talking about it. I hold XRP since 20 cents. Yeah, you're doing a good job, bro. So, yeah, it is looking quite bullish. This is looking quite bullish. And I am looking forward to see where XRP is heading towards. And, guys, a lovely thing to see it, by the way. If I flip this to the daily, right now just going in a little bit of a lower time frame. But first, I was approaching this as the bigger picture. I was looking to the weekly candles and I was seeing the exact same like 2017. So if I approach it from the 1 day, you can see over here, crushing through the 0.236, we crushed above it, and then we were creating a wick to the lower side. So we are finding support at this very critical level. So this is of course very nice to see, very lovely to see as well. And let me take a quick sip of my water. What about XRP? Yeah, I mean, you have to know. I don't really like the. If you look to the news, etc., it is not looking very strong or so. But I mean, the chart doesn't lie. It looks exactly the same here, and that was also the reason why I was getting exposed to it. And the funny part about it is that we were just discussing this, let's say, 4 or 5 days ago. So exactly over here. So yeah, I mean, I should be very careful what to say, because XRP is on the daily, of course, forming a huge bearish divergence. And if you look at the charts right now, it's very likely to see a cool-off period. But yeah, we were seeing the exact same over here as well. So if you zoom in over here, what we were doing previously, once we were starting this big leg up here, we consolidated the well, pumped, consolidated the well, pumped, consolidated the well, pumped. So definitely, I think we will be doing the same for XRP. So yeah, let's see what we'll be doing here. And of course, on the channel, we will keep you guys up to date. So let's go to the price action of Chainlink real quickly, because also for the price action of Chainlink, guys, I was seeing something very interesting. And after this, I will be going to Cardano. I will be going into way more projects. Just give me a second. Also going back into Ethereum, because I see a lot of people talking about Ethereum. And also, if you have some other projects that you really want me to look at, make sure to drop it right away in the comment section as well. So if you look to the weekly time frame, if you look to the daily time frame, you can see some kind of a W was formed here on the price section of Chainlink. I mean, this is not the most beautiful one, so we'll be ignoring it for a second. But yeah, you were forming some kind of a W with a neckline over here. But the point here is that you had this fake out previously of this neckline. So yeah, we are crushing through it once again. So let's see if we can create some more volatile. And I think that we can be really seeing a very insane leg to the upside getting created for the price section of Chainlink. So my reason why, will be right away giving it. I will be right away giving it free to you, because I think we are going to rise to the upside, because we are, of course, clearing this very critical level of resistance. And let me get my drawing too. You can see very critical level. Here we saw a fake up, but right now, once again, breaking above it, finding support on this level. Yes, I think that we can be easily heading towards the previous all-time high. So let's see if we can also do so. But yeah, in my opinion, the price chart of Chainlink is looking very good here, and I definitely think that we can be heading towards the old previous stop here. And if I zoom in even a little bit more here, guys, you can also see that we're forming an ascending triangle here. And ascending triangles, you know it, ascending triangles are very bullish buy spreaders. So it looks like that we're forming one right now, because we have 3 supportive touches, 2 resistance touches. So maybe we're getting another rejection at the moment. But if we're going to smash through, of course, let's see if we can head towards the previous all-time high. And that will be sitting around the $38, 37, sorry. I will be looking forward to it. I think we can definitely reach it anytime soon here. Maurice, sorry. Maurice, thank you for supporting the channel. You're saying check out Zill and Dan. By the way, cheers from Switzerland. And also, Bitcoin needs to hurry up and blast off. Maurice, please don't freak out for Bitcoin. We are just giving the show. We're just giving the altcoins just a moment to shine, right? Don't worry about Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, of course, I'm still in Bitcoin trade, so I love to see Bitcoin heading up to the upside, because yeah, I'm paying a lot of gas fees. Funding fees. But I know it will be here. Bitcoin will be blasting off this weekend, and I definitely think it's okay with Bitcoin. So yeah, really depends on how you're approaching the scenario. But yeah, let's look at Zilliqa and Dent for you, my friend. So let me check Zilliqa after the real quickly. I will be going into other coins as well, guys. Don't worry. Give me a sec. We're just starting off the stream here, 20 minutes live. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure to smash up the likes. Give us a new crypto project that you believe in. I mean, I have a very good project, man, where I definitely believe in. And I mean, it's also very undervalued in my opinion. And I'll also discussing it in my exit strategy video. Guys, what we are having right now for the price action of Zilliqa. So I will be removing all the drawings, and I will be just getting on along with a clear chart. So it's very easy to spot this, the trend, what Zilliqa is right now doing here. It's already easy to read this chart, because you can see Zilliqa is always moving in these impulsive ways to the upside. We're always finding support at the previous resistance line. So this is a very lovely chart to read, to be honest. If I look to the chart, you can really see that this chart is stepping up in stages. So it is setting up, it's setting up, it's setting up. And yeah, of course, you would have loved to see this going a little bit higher before coming down, to be honest, because you're also creating a bearish divergence because of that. But yeah, what we are right now having here is just like we did previously with the price action of Zilliqa. So you have multiple levels, you have multiple touches of this significant pattern that you're basically doing, the significant way Zilliqa is moving. And of course, this is one of the loveliest charts that I'm looking at, because I like to trade these charts with so many points of significance. So yeah, here you got a rejection once again here, so maybe I can draw this a little bit higher. And because of Bitcoin probably freaking out here for these last 4 hours, you can see Zilliqa was falling as well here. But what you're currently having here, in my opinion, is once again a retest of previous resistance flipping into support. So Zilliqa is definitely a chart that is looking very good for me. So I definitely think that we can be moving higher. I don't have a significant price target for you, my friend. But yeah, you don't want to counter trade the trend, and the trend is still to the upside, and you're finding right now support. So are you looking to get exposed? Of course, if you like the project, you can definitely do so right now, because I think it is right now a good moment to buy your Zilliqa if you want to, of course. But yeah, if you're not exposed yet, yeah, it's definitely also a time to buy right now. But if you're willing to sell, I think you can be going way higher, especially because Altseason is laying around the corner. Maybe we can already call it, but I think we have to wait a little bit longer for the real Altseason. But yeah, this chart is looking very good, my friends. This chart is looking very good. So let me go to Dent as well, because you were requesting Dent. I will be going into a clean chart once again, guys. And this chart is exactly the opposite what I do like to see. That is exactly the opposite what I do like to see here. Because with Zilliqa, we are seeing so many significance, and with Dent, it is just a little bit less significant. So I can approach this chart in two ways. I can first identify the trend, and that is, of course, the supportive line to the upside. So you can see we are still based in the upside. So we are still basing to the upside. The trend is to the upside. We are absolutely looking bullish for Dent for now. And I see people are all talking about check holo. So I will be going holo as well. Is he a rapper? No, I'm not a rapper. But yeah, if you look to the price section of Dent, you can see it's moving in a very nice way to the upside, and this trend is still basically the upside. But however, if I approach this chart a little bit different, and this is what I do like to see, because this looks clearly like a parabolic trend, and it was basically the upside, and here it went parabolic in the end. Of course, it went very steep to the upside, but then we were seeing a major correction. So what is basically telling me this? This is basically telling me that we are probably going to see a cool period. The parabolic runoff is done, and we're probably going to cool off right now because we're not finding support on that level. But yeah, this is the most important chart, the most important level that you can be looking at. So if we're still going to hold on to this line, yes, the trend will still be basing up to the upside. But if we're going to ignore this one, or if we're not going to hold on to this one, definitely you have to be careful. But for the moment, it still looks quite okay here. But the parabolic trend is not in the anymore in the play. So I definitely think Dent will be cooling off for a second. I don't think it will be increasing so much in valuation. And guys, by the way, I want to say this real quickly, because this is a thing that I only see. Oh, we already smashed through it. I was about to say that we're only one subscriber away from the 30.8k here, but we already smashed it. So thank you so much for reaching the 30.8k. Guys, it was an amazing amazing journey already. But can we smash it up to 31k live in the stream? That will be, of course, very amazing. So right away, we'll be saying it if you haven't already. Make sure to right now get exposed to the channel. We are doing this every single day, of course. Also making quick updates. I'm planning to do more quick updates on these videos. So if you're liking it as well, make sure to leave a like on these videos as well. So if you're interested, make sure to keep an eye out. But for Dent, the price is still heading to the upside, and the trend is looking okay. So let me go into the price section of Polkadot real quickly. So we'll be removing all the drawings once again, and let me check your heartbeat, of course. Drink some water, definitely, guys. If you want to win a mug, well, if we're going to hit the 1,000 likes, I will be giving away another mug, because recently I have not really given away a lot of mugs because I was very busy with this Easter holiday. I was not at home, as you can see as well, so I did not live stream. So yeah, definitely will be doing some more live streams. So if you're looking forward to it, make sure to already smash these likes up. And I see also VeChain is a beast. I know VeChain is definitely a beast. So let's go into the price section of Polkadot, because Polkadot is right now looking very interesting for me, because what we are currently seeing, of course, guys, you can't ignore this one. You can't ignore this one. I think Polkadot is looking very strong here. It is consolidating above the previous all-time high, but you have to look at the past, how the moves of Polkadot are going, basically, because it is always going in an impulsive move to the upside, then it is consolidating, like a impulsive move to the upside, consolidation, impulsive move to the upside, and definitely think that we're going to see maybe a consolidation here, or maybe a slow like up here. So definitely looking forward to see what will be happening. But the most exciting chart here is, to be honest, for me, is the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin valuation. And the reason why here is, of course, I think we will be going way higher. And just like we were talking about Zilliqa, and I see also Nahum donating to the channel. So you're saying, hi, will you be opening new trades for altcoins today? Of course, always once there is a possibility, we will be doing it. So yeah, let's see if we can do so, but I can't guarantee anything yet. So I have to look at the charts. And of course, I'm not going to say to myself, I'm going to today open a trade, because the market has to have to give me the opportunity, right? So we will be not rushing into anything, but let's see what we will be doing. So for a price action of Polkadot here compared to Bitcoin, this is of course the most important chart that you can be looking at, because you always want to look at the comparison to Bitcoin, comparison to Ethereum. It's very important, because then you can see if the trend is overextended or if the trend is just cooling off. And if you look to this, I mean, yeah, we are finally breaking through this critical level of resistance. And usually you can see here one touch, second touch, we broke through. One touch, second touch. Are we going to do the exact same? Are we going to smash through once again? This, of course, compared to Bitcoin. So my reason to believe, finding support at this very critical level, I definitely think that we can be heading way higher for the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin valuation. Are we going to do the exact same like we did over here, on here? I definitely think so. So looking forward to it as well. And also, if you flip to the Polkadot just the daily chart over here. If you go to the daily chart and you look to the EMA ribbons, you can see that we are just basically in a very strong uptrend, guys. Yeah, of course, almost in every single coin, the uptrend on the daily is looking very strong, but also on the price section of Polkadot. So, yes, we are once again above the 20-day moving average, because this was providing us a lot of support and also major resistance over here. So this is looking very good. Let's see if this one can curve very quickly to the upside. So yeah, I feel very bullish on the price section of Polkadot. So then I will be going into Cardano, guys. Let me know if you guys love it. So I see a lot of requests coming in here. I see mug. Of course, we'll be trying to give away this mug, guys. We'll be trying to give away this mug. Definitely make sure to keep an eye out on it. Please have a look at Bitcoin Cash Pay. So I don't know. I don't really like Bitcoin Cash, but I can be looking at it. Can be always looking at it, guys. So yeah, of course, if you want me, I can definitely do so. So let me also flip on the 20-day moving average on the price action of Cardano. So Cardano is, of course, also providing a lot of support by this 20-day. But of course, right now it's just consolidating on the daily, just like on the lower times as well. But it is consolidating over here. And what we were seeing today, we were seeing just a few hours ago, we were seeing the price action of ADA just pumping in just a matter of 2 hours, approximately 8%. 12% even. It was even more than I expected. So price action pumped so significantly to the upside. But then, what were we seeing? We were seeing a major sell once again to the exact level where we started. But then the bulls came in. We were seeing approximately a 5% dump. And of course, from the top side, this was a dump of approximately 11%. And this is also the reason, guys. This is once again the reason to never FOMO into anything here. Because this is, if you entered over there and at this top here, if you entered over here, you are basically FOMOing into trades. And that's, of course, not a thing that we are doing here. That's not a thing that we are anticipating on the channel, because we want to enter on the lows and sell the highs. So definitely want to be careful if you're entering a coin while it is going exponential to the upside. Of course, in the lower time frames, of course, but also because it was getting overextended, you want to be careful. But this is, of course, pretty weird how it behaved itself. But yeah, we are right now finding support at the previous resistance line. So yes, we are breaking some critical levels, because you can see over here, we were first getting a major rejection from this level, where we are right now finding support on. So yes, I definitely think that the price action of Cardano can be heading a little bit higher. And Cardano is used to these big pumps, and then after that you see usually big dumps. So here you can see the Coinbase pump. Here you can see a random pump to the upside, and once again a random spike to the upside, and some direct selling orders as well into it. So yeah, let's see what Cardano can be doing here. I definitely think that we stepped it up to a new level here. We're probably going to find support at this lower side here. So definitely the uptrend is in play here. $1.25 is the new base low for Cardano in the immediate short term, at least. So let's see what Cardano can be doing here. And Raymond, I see you have the new logo because you're exactly 1 month a member. So that's very cool. Hello, buddy. How you're doing these great short videos today? Great short videos today. That's very lovely to see. That's very lovely to see, Brayman, that you're loving these. So yeah, we'll be doing more of these quick updates. Once I can't stream, guys, I will be always trying to give away my information and my thoughts on the market. So definitely make sure to check them as well if you're, of course, subscribed to the channel. So let's see what you guys want me to check. Let me know what you guys want me to check here in the chat. Let me know. And yeah, I will first be discussing Litecoin real quickly, because I also made a video special by Litecoin, because I feel I was seeing something very interesting. I was looking at the chart, and I was starting to look at Litecoin. I had some time, and I was just scrolling through my list, and I saw which coin is looking interesting. So I was looking at coins. I was looking at Cardano. For Cardano, I was not seeing something very special, to be honest. But then I came across of Litecoin, and I was seeing this, and I haven't paid attention on this one. And if you look to the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin valuation, you can see we were, of course, creating this falling wedge here. And of course, guys, you know what falling wedges are. If you don't know what falling wedges are, it's usually, of course, you can see here, you're setting lower lows, you're setting lower highs, but you're coming to an apex. And this is a very, I see a lot of requests coming in here. So Ethereum, I see a lot of Ethereum. So we'll be also doing Ethereum. But guys, then we are seeing this falling wedge getting created. And falling wedges are very bullish bias patterns. And you can definitely break to the upside, of course, head towards this previous high. And this will be an insane increasement of price, exactly 150%. So I was seeing this, and that was also the reason why I was making this quick update about the video. But yeah, this was looking extremely bullish. So I thought, when are we going to break it? That would be, of course, very important. Because yeah, I would definitely love to see this level getting broken, because we are retesting this line so many times, and each and every time, once we're heading towards this higher level, we are getting major rejections. And just like we were anticipating with XRP, just like we were, yeah, of course, trying to predict when the pump is going to happen, I also will be predicting here for Litecoin. I definitely think the insane Litecoin spike will be here in Q2 of 2021 here, and I think we are going to see maybe a $600 Litecoin in just a matter of 2 months or 3 months here. So guys, make sure to keep an eye out on Litecoin, because I think it will be giving us some very insane returns. And I will be right now, I was just only talking about the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin valuation, but let me also look at the Litecoin compared to US dollar valuation, because this chart is even spelling more significant things that probably will be showing it that it will absolutely be mooning to the upside. So if I look to this chart as well, guys, you can see over here, and I will be making this line a little bit more thicker, because this is a very important chart that you have to be looking at. And yeah, look at this. You are seeing W structure getting formed. W structure getting formed. And you can see this, of course, on the daily. And the higher the time frame, the more significance it will be showing. And that is also the reason why I love these high time frames. So daily, you can see 1 day candle. Right now, still above this critical level of the neckline of the W structure. So what do we want to be doing here? Because, guys, yes, we want to be opening a trade. Yes, we are feeling very bullish on Litecoin at the moment, because this chart is basically telling me that we're going to see an insane move to the upside getting printed in just a matter of a few days here. So, of course, the price target will be heading towards the $300. And I have also another scenario that we can be looking at, and that will be also predicting a $300 Litecoin anytime soon. So yeah, this is looking very good on the daily candles, guys. I think we can be seeing the volatile first. Have to wait for the daily candle close above this line. Then maybe on the retest you can be opening, yeah, a long position, of course. I should not be looking for shorts at all. So if I remove this chart real quickly, and also just purely look at this, of course, if you're purely looking at the symmetrical triangle, guys, because we were, of course, first trying to trade this symmetrical triangle here, and this is also very beautiful in my opinion. We are loving to see this on the 4 hour. Also, symmetrical triangle breaking to the upside can be spelling maybe a $300 $300 Litecoin. So that's looking very good. Big shout out to everyone from Discord. They are so nice. Thank you so much. That's very lovely to see. So I see a lot of people talking about Ethereum, so we'll be going into Ethereum as well. So for Bitcoin, just quickly going to look at it, because Bitcoin, of course, closing this 4 hourly candle right now below this level over here, below this this possibility for the W retest. So that's pretty unfortunate. But yeah, we're still closing the 4 hourly candle above our support line, because yeah, previous resistance is always flipping into very strong support, as you can see. So yeah, we are still doing a pretty good job here. I definitely think we will be going higher. And also, previous all-time high, usually providing a lot of support, guys. These previous all-time highs are providing a lot of support, and it's just a thing that you can't ignore. So yes, it's still looking good for the Bitcoin price action, but still, we have this downward sloping resistance line, guys, that we have to clear. So let's see if we can be closing this one. Yeah, do the upside anytime soon here. Looking forward to it. What will be when Crypto.com will be flying? I mean, yeah, Crypto.com will be flying in no time. Crypto.com will be flying in no time. Let me check Crypto.com as well in a second. And guys, yeah, who loves the market right now? Who loves the green? Because I mean, yeah, there are still some ditches in the red, and you can see if I go to the lowest one, BitTorrent, 23%. But guys, this is totally expected, because yeah, once a coin is going up so quickly in just a matter of a few days, it is very likely to go off. And the coins that right now in the negative, they all pumped so significantly on the 7 day. Of course, Anchor did not pump so significantly on the 7 day, but the most of them, they did. So you want to be careful with buying into coins that are overextended, because my strategy is at least buying coins that haven't pumped yet here. And that's also the reason why I'm still buying YLD, and why I also made this special video about my exit strategy. And I mentioned YLD. I mentioned it because it was just giving me a very good opportunity to, of course, gain interest on my income. So yeah, YLD app is definitely one of the most undervalued gems here at the moment. I definitely think this is a huge gem, and it has huge potential as well here. So definitely looking to buy some more, of course. I'm already hugely exposed to this one, to be honest. But yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. Let's see if we can gain some more yield up here. I definitely think it can easily 4 to 10x from here on. Easily 4 to 10x here in the coming 2 or 3 days, 2 or 3 months or so. So yeah, if you're not exposed yet, I think this is one of my best gems that I currently have in my portfolio. And this is once again a thing that I want to say here. Do you want to buy the highs or do you want to buy the lows? And if you look to different projects like Forger, you can see these coins are blasting off already. And yeah, you can be early adopting yield app right now, because I bet on it that people are right now watching and they're thinking, okay, I'm going to sit on the sidelines, and once they're seeing a yield app sitting around $5, they will be buying. So yeah, it really depends on your own financial situation. It really depends on yourself. No financial advice or so, but I am at least building a huge portfolio in yield app. And the demand of having 20k yield in your portfolio will be huge, guys. It will be huge, so definitely a thing that you want to be doing here. Where do you buy yield app? I buy it on Uniswap. I buy it on Uniswap. So Raymond, today is a good day. Shaved off the gains at the very top on 9 coins. Half one salary in 7 hours. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That would be amazing. But yeah, it looks like that we're finding very good support on the 4 hour. I mean, by the way, even on this minor dump over here, we're of course setting a higher low. That's already a very good thing to see. But even this dump over here got supported by this previous resistance line over here. You can see previous resistance line. And if you just set it up with a gray box, this should just showing you a lot of significance. And this will be providing us very good support. And currently what we are seeing is a lot of accumulation of the wheels, because retailers are right now sending off their Bitcoin to shift it a little bit into altcoins, because they see that the altcoins are giving them more gains. And that is usually, that is how the cycle works, guys. That is exactly how the cycle works. And right now we are just in the stage that altcoins are going to blast off here. So I still know for sure, if you also look at previous cycles, Bitcoin is going to set another leg up here. At least I'm not a few legs up here. I definitely think we have to be getting careful. We have to be getting careful, of course. We don't want to be becoming too greedy. But still, 100k will be my first cash out target. But for now on, not looking to sell my Bitcoin. Still extremely bullish. But yeah, we want to be careful. Once we're seeing all these altcoins blasting off to the upside, of course, it's lovely to see, and I definitely will be enjoying these times while we can still see it. But it also have to ring, because we have to learn from our previous mistakes. So it have to, it have to give us some bells. It have to give us a notification that we have to be careful, because what we're basically seeing, all these altcoins in the green, is basically meaning that people are getting greedy. People are buying altcoins for the fast gains. And yeah, always once there are people coming into the market for fast gains, it usually goes wrong, just like you saw in previous bull runs. So, I mean, I don't want to cause FUD here. I still don't think that we're at the top, guys. We're absolutely going to the 100k. But you want to be careful. You want to be thinking, because you want to have a very strong strategy to cash out of the market, because cashing out will be another thing here, guys. And you can't just go up to in a straight line your portfolio. And probably a lot of people are going to see their portfolio going from let's say 10k to 100k, and then see it going back to 5k once again. So please, I don't want you guys to have that. And I want to see all Lambos. I don't want to see all red. I don't want to see all red apples. I only want to see green apples, guys. Come on. So let me see what you guys want me to check. People are asking about Ethereum. So yeah, we were discussing Ethereum early on as well here. But quickly, for the people that are just tuning in here, and also if you just tuned in here, make sure to smash up these likes here. But if you're just tuning in and you want me to talk about Ethereum, I will be doing it special for you, of course. I mean, I will be just giving a different approach on Ethereum. Let me clean up this whole chart here, and let me set up a Fibonacci real quickly, because let me just get a clear approach, a different approach from the other time. So if you just look at the Fibonacci scenario, you can see this is a different scenario, of course. You can be looking at the other scenario. I do like to see that we are, of course, getting this very nice retest once again from the previous all-time high. It is looking very good. It is looking very good. I definitely think, because we're right clearing out this level, we are in price discovery. And usually, once you're getting in price discovery, people are getting greedy, and you're probably going to move higher. And also, the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation is looking very good. So that's also my reason to believe that we can be heading towards the $2,500 US. The $2,500 US is coming together with the symmetrical triangle that we were first farming. And of course, if you don't know what the symmetrical triangle was, it was this huge triangle that we were farming on the Ethereum price section over here. The price target is exactly $2,500 US. And also the $2,500 US is coming together with the Fibonacci resistance level. So is it coincidence? Kind of. So definitely think the $2,500 US will be a huge border. It will be a huge border for the price section of Ethereum. I definitely think that we have to be careful once we're reaching the $2,500 US. I don't think it will be the top for Ethereum, but I want to say you have to be careful. But yeah, that's what we'll be doing for Ethereum. Don't FOMO in on the top. You will be end up in fiat instead of a Lambo. That's true. That's true. Once you're getting wrecked in the market, you're probably going back to fiat because you do think it's better. But you don't. I know for sure you guys don't think fiat is better. And Raymond, how do you like the blue logo? Because you're right now 1 month a member, so you got the blue logo. So you're the first one. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool because you were one of the first members that are getting member on the channel. So that's very cool. Crypto.com, please. So yes, let me go into Crypto.com in a second here. So finishing up my thoughts here about Ethereum. I mean, yes, we were. I mean, this is basically the chart that I mainly look at. Of course, you can be looking at this the ascending triangle. Of course, it really depends on which scenario you like. The symmetrical triangle here, but basically, yeah, we are finding support at the previous resistance. We are in price discovery. I definitely think we can be going way higher, even though we are probably going to trade huge bearish divergences. But let's see what we will be doing. So. Crypto.com was cooling off. It was sitting around 22 cents, right? Yeah, it was sitting around 22 cents. So, yeah, we are re-entering this channel, what I was not expecting, to be honest. So, yeah, we are re-entering the channel. Let me set this up a little bit differently. So, yeah, just like the price action of Zilliqa, I really like the price chart of Crypto.com. Because usually it moves in these waves to the upside, and you're finding support at the previous all-time high. And previous all-time high, previous high. And that's the thing that I love about charts, just that they are showing a lot of significance with me and that I can really anticipate it very easily. So for the price section of Crypto.com, it is basically some kind of the same here. And if I look to the chart over here, this is, of course, a little bit the fortune. We were not going towards this level once again here. But yeah, what we are currently seeing here is previous resistance flipping into support, and each and every time once we're touching this level, even if we're not touching it quite yet here, we're already bouncing up to the upside. So that is of course a very lovely thing to see here, and also a thing that you can be seeing right now in the price section of Crypto.com is that you're also starting an uptrend. So you're starting an upward sloping support line. Maybe they're becoming less and less sell orders, and still people are willing to step into the market of Crypto.com, and yeah, I definitely think it's a good thing. But yeah, there's not really a pattern right now that is really unfolding here. But maybe on the 1 hour it is. On the 1 hour you can maybe see that you are having slightly more touches on this level, and that you're going to create a breakout target anytime soon here. But I mean, there's not really a significant pattern what is not right now playing out here. And if you look to the EMA, it is still trading between the EMA ribbons. That is of course pretty interesting. It's still trading between the 20-day moving average, which should be providing a lot of support on the daily especially. And if you look to the daily, yeah, it's right now trading under it. So that will be of course providing a lot of resistance, because as you can see, this is by the way, this is not very good for the price section of Crypto.com, because since we were starting this uptrend, each and every time, once we are reaching this level, once we are retesting the 20-day moving average, you can see on the chart that we are getting a bounce. So right now we are breaking below it, and that is of course pretty unfortunate. So yeah, let's see. Let me take another sip of my water. I'm getting very thirsty because it is so exciting once again to be back with the live stream. Sorry. So I had to take a quick sip of my water, guys. What chart software are you using? I'm using TradingView, my friend. So thanks, Rover. Can you give me your thoughts about Omni? So of course I can give my thoughts about Omni. Definitely, I think it's a very good project, and EVV, working together with a lot of good. Yeah, project makers, a lot of good sports as well, I heard it. So, what do I think about Omni? Omni is extremely undervalued as well. Omni is extremely undervalued, and it will be the place to buy your NFTs. It will be a very big, and Omni also recently getting added to Uniswap, as you can see over here. Recently getting added to Uniswap. So, yeah, definitely lovely to see here. And yeah, I think it's a very good project. I like VV, I like Economy, and yeah, if you're not exposed yet, you can be definitely looking towards it. But yeah, you're getting a quite huge sell right now. So if you want to buy with a sale, I mean, I bought at 9 cents. So yeah, I mean, that's not very low, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, I got late into this party. I got late into this party as well. But still think it will be going way higher. I still think it will be going way higher, and the reason why here is because it's just a good project, because they're working with good partners as well. And I was reading a lot about it, and I heard something about the NBA that they're going to work together with them. So I think, yeah, it's definitely a project that you can be getting exposed to, because it seems very promising. It seems very promising, guys. So also Bitcoin seems very promising. Bitcoin seems truly promising, just like always. Always Bitcoin is looking very promising in my opinion. Yeah, we are also bouncing up to the upside. And that's also a very likely thing to see for Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, look at the 4 hour. I definitely think, yeah, we are seeing a lot of consolidation over here. We're just seeing boring price action for Bitcoin. And I know we want to see, we only want to see like 20% or day or so. But I mean, that's just a thing that we will be not seeing because it's not a thing that is really playing out on with the price action of Bitcoin usually. Because Bitcoin also needs some time to consolidate. And what we are right now doing, consolidating at these high levels, guys, that's actually, yeah, absolutely good for Bitcoin, of course. We haven't consolidated for such a long period, but yeah, the longer you're going to consolidate, the more significant the break it will be here, guys. So definitely think you have to not freak out or so, but I mean you definitely want to get ready for a big move because once Bitcoin is consolidating for such a long period, I mean, man, the move will only be more stealth and more stealth, guys. It will be absolutely insane. It will be absolutely insane, guys. So what do you think? Whoa, damn. Ethereum Classic is spiking. I don't really like Ethereum Classic, to be honest. 20% a day, let's go. Yeah, I mean, yeah, definitely I want to see it. But guys, there will be very exciting days coming towards us. There will be very exciting days coming towards us. Definitely for the price action of Bitcoin. See, Dean Harvey is also tuning in here. So thank you for tuning in once again. So you're saying check Stellar Loomis. So let me check Stellar Loomis. I definitely want to check it. So yeah, what are we having? What are we having right now? Are we seeing something interesting? Yes, I do think that we are seeing something interesting. So what can we see right now? We are seeing that we haven't clearly tested the previous all-time high yet. We haven't clearly tested it yet. I was all about to say it. But I mean, yeah, we got a stealth rejection because we tried to retest it. And you can see over here, these wicks were created, big rejections. And that is currently what we're getting rejected from as well. So that is, of course, pretty bad for a price action of Stellar Loomis. Yeah, previous support, of course, holding up pretty strong here. Looking at the 4 hourly candles. Guys, oh, damn it. It's snowing outside. Can you believe it? It's snowing. I live in the Netherlands. It's currently snowing outside, and we are in April. So things are going very weird here at my place. So I don't know how it is going at your place, but it's snowing here. So it's freezing cold right now. So definitely not lovely to be at, to be honest. So let me know how your state is at the moment. Link is breaking out. I'll definitely have to get to Link then if it is breaking out. But yeah, what are we having right now for the price section of Stellar Loomis? Let me also get up this Fibonacci real quickly from the swing low to the swing high. Let me get it correctly. From the swing low to the swing. Oh damn! From the swing low to the swing high. You can see this retracement set up here. And of course, maybe soon we have to look for some extension levels for the price section of Stellar Loomis. But yeah, this is looking very strong here. Big rejection point. Point. But since breaking through, yeah, we were getting towards the next stage. And right now we're finding around the 0.236. But yeah, in general here for Stellar Loomis, we haven't really decided the direction yet. We haven't really decided where we are heading towards. And for me to be really decisive, of course, it's very easy to say. But yeah, you have to break through the all-time high. Because, yes, you are still stuck between these ranges. And, of course, there's a lot of gains that you can be making, maybe 30% or so. But, yeah, you're trading between these two ranges. And if you look at the past of the price action of Stellar Loomis, just like Zilliqa, etc. And I like these charts, guys. I like Stellar Loomis as well because the structure is very nice. You can see resistance, breaking above it, support, breaking above it, support. So what do I expect? We can maybe see a rejection and then a breakthrough, or we can right now see already the volumes we're getting created. But yeah, definitely we will be heading towards newer highs anytime soon here. But for me to flip bullish, of course, the moment that we're going to crush through, I will be flipping extreme bullish. But for now on, not seeing enough confirmations yet here. Seeing a big rejection over here, so definitely want to see this. Definitely want to see this move to the upside getting created on. Definitely want to see this move up getting created. So let me know which one which coin. Adrian Rover won't even look at it. It's so badly shelled. Let me know which coin it is. Let me know. I do want to know about which coin you're talking about. Let me know which coin you're talking about. So Bitcoin is fighting back, guys. Heading towards the 4-hour resistance target. And also, if you really looked at this chart, I mean, Definitely think that we're just finding very good support. I was talking about St. Louis. Guys, please don't spam in the chat here. Dean Harvey, you're doing an amazing job. Snowing in England as well. Guys, absolutely insane, right? It's absolutely insane. It's snowing. It's April. Bitcoin breaking out, guys. We're not seeing a breakout. We're seeing a supportive bounce. I do think what we are probably going to see from here on is a bounce back to the upside. A bounce back to the upside, heading towards higher levels. Maybe another time a retest of this level. Hopefully, finally a breakthrough of this level. Let's see if we can do so. Because, yeah, in the end of the day, guys, we want to be seeing this breakthrough. We want to be seeing this breakthrough before really Bitcoin can be blasting off to the upside once again. Dean Harvey, thank you so much. You're the best. Damn it. There's so many requests coming in. It's Christmas. Yeah, but then just 4 months later. Stop denying the love for SafeMoon. I mean, I don't like. I mean, I'm already somewhat. You have to know. It took me a while to get it convinced for Dogecoin. But I think if you're here for a meme coin, why should you buy SafeMoon? If you're here for a meme coin, I should stick it with one meme coin because it has zero fundamental worth. And I mean, SafeMoon. Yeah, you can be buying SafeMoon, of course, whatever you want. But I will be sticking it with Doge. I will be sticking it with Doge. Be careful with these coins, guys. They are getting pumped. They're getting shelled. They're getting. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like SafeMoon. I don't like it. So I will be staying away from it. If you want to buy it, of course, be my guest. But if you really want to buy into a meme coin, buy into a good meme coin at least. Buy into a good meme coin because this meme coin has really support by Elon Musk. So I mean, yeah, I do like Dogecoin because I just want to be a part of the community. I want to be a part of the cryptocurrency space community. Dogecoin is the one to have, and I don't think SafeMoon has repetition yet, and I don't think it will be ever getting it. There's only one meme coin, and it's Dogecoin for me. And yeah, bro, could you check the chart of Yearn.finance compared to Bitcoin? So Jeroen, of course, I will be checking the chart. If it is an interesting chart, that will be definitely cool. Maybe it can give us some. Oh, you're not talking about Yearn.finance. You're talking about. Oh, it is Yearn.finance, right? Yeah. It is Yearn.finance, never mind. So yeah, we can be looking at the chart. Let me flip it down to the daily. So you're asking me to look at this chart compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, what are we having for the chart? So first, yeah, we were breaking through very critical levels of resistance, and you can set it up as in multiple ways. But basically, what it is telling us, we're in an extreme downtrend from Bitcoin. Of course, once it was getting on the market, it was absolutely blasting after the upside. And let me look if I'm. It's DeFi money probably. So there's so many coins. I mean, I was first talking. I thought it was Yearn.finance, but it is DeFi money. So yeah, what is this coin compared to Bitcoin? It's not looking very interesting, to be honest. It doesn't look to be over yet. It does not look like it is over yet here. Of course, you are breaking very critical levels of resistance and very stealth levels. And it is getting overextended. So I don't really want to be flipping bullish on this yet, man, my friend. I want to be careful. So, Karen, thank you for donating. And you were saying your thoughts on BitTorrent. So let me get the chart of BitTorrent in front of me. And guys, I can't stress enough about it. Don't buy into coins that are overextended, just like BitTorrent right now, because it will be seeing a massive correction. It will be a massive correction, and if you're buying into it right now, you're absolutely getting wrecked. So please, guys, of course, no financial advice, but stay away from coins that are so overextended. I mean, why should you buy into it? I mean, my friends, of course, I try to educate my friends for real, guys, but these guys are buying, and they're, without regret, they're buying at the top because they're saying, oh, this coin is going 2,400% in just a matter of a few days. I have to get onto the boat right now. But guys, once you're seeing a pump of, let's say, 2,400% or however this is, let me see. It's a pump of 700%. It's just a matter of 18 days. If a coin pumps so hard in just such a short period of time, I will be staying away from it because it is getting too overextended. So please, don't do so. Please don't buy into coins that are so massively overextended, guys. Please play it with your mind. Don't play with your emotions. And just like Finance, and if I look at sorry, Finance, just like BitTorrent, I don't want to cast further, so, but I mean, I don't like it. It's built it's built with Tron. It has a very skeptical here historic things, etc. I will be not getting. I mean, I will be not buying it right now, guys. Also, if you're buying a coin that is getting so overextended, I mean, yeah, you really want to be careful. Oh, and I mean, it was not even forming bearish divergence, so there is still. I'm not. You have to note there's still a possibility that we're going to go higher and create a huge bearish divergence, and after that we're absolutely going to collapse for this coin. I'm not saying that, but I mean, yeah, there's still a possibility that we're going to create a bearish divergence from here on. But yeah, once again, if I look to the trend, I'm also just not a fan of the project. I think you already know it, but if you look at this, guys, parabolic run up. You see a parabolic run up, but once you are not holding up anymore with the run up phase, what you're currently seeing here, you're absolutely going for a plunge. This is not anymore an uptrend. You broke officially the parabolic phase, and you're definitely going to go lower from here on. So yeah, you want to be careful. And this is the reason people are still buying into it, and I don't get it. I don't get it. People are thinking, yeah, I'm buying into the dump, but yeah, the parabolic run up is already over, and you're going to just buy. Yeah, a frozen coin. So please don't do so. You're probably not going to make very good profits from here on, in my opinion. So yeah, if you're here for the gains, I should not buy it right now. I should not buy it right now. And Natasha, thank you for tuning in. Very cool. Very cool. And let me know what you guys are saying. Are you using Yield app yet? I already experienced with it. But yeah, I already secured enough yield to get the 20% API, of course. But am I using it at my full potential? Not yet, because you can very soon. Right now, you can also gain interest on your Ethereum, and very soon, I don't know when it will be, but very soon you can also gain interest on your Bitcoin. So yes, then I will be using it to gain interest on my Bitcoin, because I think that's very important. But I'm using it with a minor bit of my portfolio just to test out, and of course, it's a real asset. It's no scammer. So I don't go all in right away, you know. But yeah, this I am already working on it. So Raymond, thank you for supporting the channel once again. You're saying, look at your chat. It's alt season. Also help us not to get stupid bullish. Stay frosty. And you're of course using your amazing Dogecoin emoji. So look at the chat. It's alt season, yeah, guys. It's absolutely. I mean, yeah, we're absolutely at alt season, but I mean, BitTorrent, I don't really like it at the moment. Yes, it's alt season, but it doesn't mean if we're in alt season that the TA is not working anymore. This coin is over. So, what do you have to do once you're done with a coin? You move on. You look to the next project. And just like we are looking at YLD app, and this is, I mean, I don't want to shield this. I don't want to shield this because, I mean, yeah, I can't even shield because it's not even going up to the upside. But this one will definitely will be doing the same, and people will be FOMOing in, guys. There will be a lot of people FOMOing in. But yeah, I just look forward to the future because I want to gain, yeah, of course, interest with the whole family, with the whole crypto rover community. I want to crush the market altogether. So yeah, I will be looking forward to it, guys. But yes, it is definitely alt season, and people are talking about Litecoin breaking out. What is it breaking out from? Just Google Tron. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't really like Tron. Tron is, in my opinion, an ass coin. I still want 100k BTT if possible. I mean, yeah, of course, you can really decide it yourself. But I'm not a huge fan of BitTorrent, and I'm not a huge fan of it. So yeah, let's see what we will be doing. Let's see what we will be doing for BitTorrent, but definitely I hope it will be good, guys. By the way, I already will be apologizing because this live stream today won't be the longest, once again, and I definitely want to do so, but once again, very busy day for me. But of course, we'll be trying to do it as long as possible for you guys, because then we can just crush the market altogether, because we're running live for 1 hour already, and you have to know, purely out of my heart, I want to do this maybe for 24 hours if I can, but sometimes it just can't work for me. And I always try to do my best, guys. So, let me check. Why is everyone hating Tron / BitTorrent? Basically Justin Sun. Because there were some scamming activities, criminal activity. So I don't like launderers. I don't like people that are laundering money. And I don't like scam projects. No, I don't like it. I don't like scam projects. I don't like influence on coins. I don't like that he can push a coin so high and create fake hype. I don't like it. I don't like it, and that's the reason why I'm staying away from it. So of course, it can still maybe recover its name, but it already has such a dirty name in the cryptocurrency space, and people are seeing the gains and they are loving it. And I know it. I know. I want to be where the gains are. I want to be at the place where the gains are being made. But sometimes I'm looking to just some different projects, and I don't think it is right now the good place to be in coins that are, of course, coins that are built for privacy reasons, coins that are built for let's say money laundering or black money, dirty money. I don't like it. I don't like it. So I'm staying away from these coins, just like privacy coins. That's also the reason why I'm staying away from privacy coins, because I don't think that they're going to see the same surge like DeFi has, and just like the other altcoins. I mean, I don't think that these privacy coins are going to see the insane altcoin season just like other coins. So I'm trying to invest in good coins with good fundamentals and promising teams that are working on it, and I think these coins can be going way higher. So William, also thank you for supporting the channel. You're saying BSKT. You were saying, looks amazing, deflationary value backed by safe coins, stakeable for passive incomes. Tiny market cap. Damn, bro. Let me check it. Let me check it. Tiny market cap. I love tiny market cap. William, you have to know it. I love... Oh, damn, guys. People are saying Litecoin. I have to check Litecoin. I have to check Litecoin. Damn it, yeah. Litecoin is absolutely mooning. Litecoin is absolutely mooning. It's going for a plunge to the upside, guys. This is absolutely insane, of course. Sorry, I want to check Litecoin, but damn it, it's absolutely going sky high at the moment, guys. And this is where we are right now. This is the position where we are right now. We are in Altseason, and we are seeing this insane gain. So I will be going into that coin in a second. I love dirty money coins. I mean, it really depends what you like, bro. It really depends what you like. Of course, if you like it, be my guest. But this coin, market data is untracked. So, bro, very unfortunate, but I can't check it. You're saying very low market cap, and it seems like it is right now. So I don't know about anything about it. Of course, I will be looking. I made a screenshot. I make a screenshot right away here because I think if you say it like you are, if it's deflationary, etc., I already like it. I already like it. So I will be doing my my research after the stream. I will be doing it live in the stream, but yeah, maybe it's a good project. I will be definitely looking into it. But first, I want to look at the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin valuation. And guys, this is, of course, we are heading towards resistance compared to Bitcoin. So yes, we are seeing Litecoin blasting off here. But the thing here, what I do want to be seeing is Litecoin crushing through this resistance target, guys. I want to see Litecoin smashing through this level before I will flip extremely bullish. I'm already bullish, but then I will be flipping extremely bullish. So yes, it is looking very good. Let's see what we're going to do. Of course, already seeing this breakout to the upside from off this symmetrical triangle, what we were anticipating. Yeah, $241. Absolutely insane what we are seeing here for the price action of Litecoin. Yeah, we are getting rejected and then just turned the tables around and, of course, went for this parabolic run up, and it is looking very solid. I think, yeah, Litecoin is looking very bullish at the moment. So yeah, if you look to this chart, it's just spelling you very good things here. And also, if you just look to the... I will be setting this up, and I will be going to your request in a second, edit shorts. So if I look to this one, you can see the W structure also on the daily, on the 4-hour. This is looking very good. We're definitely going to see this retest tomorrow. I think there is still a possibility to get this retest. So if you're willing to trade, definitely use the referral links in the description if you want to get some bonuses. But guys, if you really want to get onto the good positions, I definitely think you can be waiting for the retest on the new daily candle that we're going to print tomorrow. So I want to be careful still. I want to be waiting. I want to be patient. Don't rush into anything. And let me flip it to the 50-minute candles. Look at these candles, guys. Absolutely insane momentum. We are creating a bearish divergence at the moment on the 50 minutes. So do want to be seeing more volumes we're getting created at the moment right now, guys. So edit to shorts. You are saying I staked 100 Ethereum on Kraken and I can't withdraw, trade or unstake until 2.0. Was I robbed? And you were asking me this also previously. And it really depends. I mean, I don't think it's smart. I don't think it's smart because for me, it really depends on your own strategy. But for me, I will be already taking some profits before Ethereum 2.0 is getting launched, because Ethereum 2.0 will be here in July approximately. And I think we will be already seeing the top before July approximately. So yeah, it's very interesting. Maybe July still is maybe the top, but yeah, you don't know exactly how it will be going. Maybe the market is right now already going exponential to the upside. Maybe we're already almost done here. I don't know it. And you want to secure in some profits, in my opinion, once you're going higher. So, are you robbed? I mean, yeah, it's probably your own decision because you agreed with the terms and conditions. So, yeah, you're not really robbed. But bro, yeah, I want to be careful if you're staking so many things. If you're staking your Ethereum and you can't withdraw it, and you know it's there till July, I don't think it's the best choice, my friend. I don't think it's the best choice. So yeah, let's see what we'll be doing. Is Strom worth investing in? I should stay away from it, but that's just my own opinion. So, but you, thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for your £5 donation. And you're saying, bro, check Bitcash Pay, BCP. So right away, we'll be going into it. And you're saying, low market cap, under the 50 million, roadmap for the next 2 years on the website. What do you think about it? So, yeah, let me quickly check it because this one sounds interesting because a lot of people, also some friends of mine, they were notifying me, and some members from the Crypto Rover community as well. They were notifying me. They were telling me, bro, you have to really check out this. You have to really check this one out. This one looks very promising, and you definitely want to look into it. So let me check Bitcash Pay. So you're talking about the roadmap that it is on their website, and yeah, you're basically Bitcash. You can pay with it, but Bitcash Pay, 0 fees, staking rewards. Yeah, we're talking about that you could stake it. I was already reading that you can stake a lot of coins on it. So good staking rewards, token burns. So let me see where the exact roadmap is. So here's the roadmap for 2020. So they have let me see if they have a big developer team. Core team, yeah, I have to do my research. I mean, bro, I will be doing live research. It sounds very interesting because I want to look at how these people are, etc. But if I click on these links, you all see some private stuff, and I won't be doing it because I also want to secure some privacy, of course. But yeah, this sounds very interesting. Roadmap, peer-to-peer transactions testing. Very exciting in Q2. We're already 2021, of course. They're trying to work on the Android apps. I think they already have to be done here because we're already in Q2, of course. But there are no... no green markets yet, so they're not done yet. They're going to launch their app anytime soon here, so that's of course very exciting. So crypto trading, AI launching, so a lot of promising things that they're trying to build. So they are very ambitious. So let's see if they can really also work it out. But yeah, bro, so low market cap. And just also recently getting launched here. If I look to this one, 14th of March, it was getting launched. So, I mean, I make a lot of screenshots, and right away we'll be doing it once again. Because I just want to be looking at a lot of projects. Wait, I will be check this one out. Sorry, I had to write it down real quickly, guys. But yeah, I love that you guys are letting me know some. Excuse me, but guys, I love that you guys let me know some requests here about certain altcoins that you think are very good. And of course, there's not a lot of information about this coin at the moment. But yes, I will be definitely looking into it because I like to know your thoughts. And always, you're giving me some gems. And I have some members of my team that are doing research as well on altcoins. And I have still some more gems that laying around the corner. And I don't know if I can say them yet. But guys, definitely will be doing it, and I think I have some very good projects that I'm keeping an eye out on. Maybe I will be saying one. And this one is ILF, is Ethereum, and this one is also a pretty good gem here. And recently already was spiking to the upside. So this one also recently got launched. Definitely have to look into it. This is it's a game. You can. It's very insane. It's basically gambling, gaming, and crypto. I mean, very addicting, right? So yeah, I mean. We'll have to do your own research, but this is also a true gem in my opinion. Already got exposed to that one. But yeah, guys, thank you for letting me know these gems. I will be definitely looking into them. Economic Police, we already discussed that one. Rover, this one will be mooning. So I definitely love it. I will be loving it to see it will be mooning. Let's see. A lot of... what is the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin valuation resistance level? So I will be checking it for you because, of course, I want you guys to know this critical level that we are looking at for the Litecoin chart. Because, yes, we are seeing these insane gains to be made here with the player section of Litecoin. And this resistance target. And, of course, you have to take this resistance target with a grain of salt because, like you can see over here, there can be some fake outs. This is on a weekly. So, yeah, approximately between these levels of, let's say, it's very hard to say, the 4.1/4.3. 4.1/4.3. So you have to go to this chart. You have to go to the times where we are right now. We're currently sitting around 4.169. and of course two zeros before after the point. So yeah, approximately the resistance target is around the 4.2 towards the 4.4. So let's see if we're going to crush through it. Of course, we definitely have to do so because this falling wedge will definitely be very bullish for the price action of Litecoin, guys. We will be moving quite significantly to the upside, and I also think in a very rapid pace because, yeah, if we're really going to clear this level, and this can maybe be taking, let's say, another 2 weeks or so. Just like we were anticipating with Litecoin, with XRP, it can be taking a while. It can be taking a while, and I don't necessarily think it will be just crushing through this level in just a matter of a few hours. But yes, this can maybe take another 2 or 3 days, 2 or 3 weeks. So yes, once we're breaking through, yeah, and a surge of 150% approximately will be in the books. So that's the thing what I love to see here. So yeah, let's see if we're going to reach it. And guys, a thing that I also want to be reaching here, just like the Litecoin price, is of course the 500 likes. Guys, we're currently only 169 likes away from the, let's see, from the 500 likes. So guys, if we all work together right now, can we smash it up to 500 likes? That would be absolutely amazing. And hitting a like is completely for free. And currently watching with approximately 1,100 viewers, I definitely think that we can crush up another 150 likes. Guys, can we do so right now? That would be, of course, very amazing because I'm always trying to push the most amount of content out here. Guys, you can see 4 videos today, 4 videos, 4 updates. Of course, right now a live stream at 3 videos. Guys, we're absolutely rocking it right now. So if you're enjoying the channel, the only thing that you have to do here is smash up that like. That will be, of course, already meaning so much for me. So will be, of course, very lovely. So let me see what you guys are having for me. So let's go back in the charts, and already smashing through the 400 likes, guys. This is absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane. I always love to see it. 6-9. Yeah. Hey, bro, can you check GRT? Of course. We'll be always checking GRT. Definitely love the project as well. So if I look to GRT, let me flip onto the chart. Let me go a little bit more into depth, and 411 already. So we're absolutely going to crush this one out here. So what am I right now seeing on the price action of GRT is, of course, downward sloping resistance line getting formed. Also, this array box of support getting created over here. Also, this level of resistance getting created over here, and this we also create another downward sloping resistance line. So yeah, we have still some levels that we have to clear for the price action of GRT. But yes, I still feel very bullish about this one. I don't think that we're necessarily going to go lower from here on. So yeah, let's see what GRT will be doing, but I definitely think we will be moving higher, also finding very good support on this level. And if we're heading towards this level of around the $1.65, I think you can be accumulating some more GRT. But yeah, we first have to crush through this this topwards resistance line of this gray box once again, because this level seems to hold us back quite significantly for already a very long period of time already. So what I want to be seeing here is, of course, a crush through this gray box around the $1.85. And after that, I want to see a crush through of this resistance target, what is already giving us 3 touch points. And usually, like I tell you all the time here, the more times we're testing these resistance levels, the more likely it will be that you're going to break it. And definitely think also with this resistance line, it will be a likely breakout anytime soon here. So I see a lot of requests coming in here for a price prediction. Guys, do you want me to do a price prediction? Do you want me to do a price prediction? Because I can do a price prediction, and let me know on which coin I have to do it, because I see all people talking about price predictions, and you have to know on the channel, if you're new on the channel, we're only doing realistic predictions. So let me know if you want to have a price prediction. So in the meantime, I will be looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, of course, providing this bounce here. Providing a very nice bounce here. So still the inverse and shoulders is a play, guys. And if you have it already, we are always giving you guys up to date on the Twitter, on Instagram, whatever you want. So definitely make sure to check it out as well. If you're not looking at it yet here, you can also follow me on Twitter. Would be, of course, very amazing, because we're almost reaching the 4,000 followers over here, and that is, of course, a very cool thing here. So I see a lot of people saying yes, do a price prediction. Okay, and please don't spam in the chat here. If you're spamming in the chat, you right away will be getting blocked. And guys, by the way, if we're going to reach 1,000 likes, I will be giving away this amazing mug. So damn it, there are so many coins. 88 price prediction. Okay, guys, let me do an 88 price prediction. And I mean, I will be very conservative, and I mean, I would rather have that my price prediction is getting surpassed than not reaching my price prediction, right? So I will be taking a realistic price prediction for Cardano, and I've been saying it multiple times. And I will be also calling a range, because I think that Cardano will be heading towards the $5 in this coming bull cycle. And I know a lot of people want me to say $10 or $20, but I think $5 is a conservative target that we're definitely going to reach. I think we're definitely going to reach the $5. But if we're going to surpass it, we're going to go extremely overextended. So once reaching the $5, I will be, of course, taking profits. And if you're interested in my my exit strategy, you can definitely also watch this video here. Let me check it here. What is my exit strategy? You can definitely watch it over here as well. If you're interested, you can check it over there. But I mean, guys, $5 is definitely the target that I will be starting cashing out some Cardano, because then it will be getting pretty overextended. So I want to be careful with that, of course. So, of course, it really depends on how the market is developing, because it can be, of course, going way differently, because the period that we are right now in, guys, and this is the thing that you have to know, the period where we are right now currently in here is way different than previously, because we're just not only seeing a bull run, but we're also seeing the economic crisis laying around the corner, and that can be the thing that can maybe switch everything up here. So, of course, I'm not saying that this time will be different than previously, but yes, there's a possibility that we're going to see something differently. But yeah, the $5 is definitely reachable and definitely going to reach this as well. And let me go to the dollar index as well. But first, let me go into the dollar index, guys. But first, Jonathan Zara is saying, price prediction for Pitbull token on Binance Smart Chain, please. So, I don't know Pitbull token. I don't know Pitbull token. I don't know Pitbull token. So, bro, let me know what the tag is of Pitbull token. Jonathan, let me know what the Pitbull token its tag is, because otherwise I cannot search it up. So, let me take a quick sip of my coffee real quickly. Coffee is very good, guys. Definitely, I can't live without coffee. Sorry for me. It was way too hot. So, right now, let me know what the tag is of Pitbull. Probably is only a CoinGecko. Let me wait. I will be checking CoinGecko first. I'll be checking CoinGecko real quickly. Also, Daniel, thank you for the support of the nation. Let me check CoinGecko. Pitbull. That's not over here as well. So Daniel also saying, do one hashtag Pitbull token. Mac went from 2 mm to 20 MC in 4 days. So guys, I don't know what the tag is of Pitbull. I don't know what the tag of Pitbull is. People are talking about what is your Pitbull trending on Pitbullish. Pitbull trending, guys. I don't know what the tag is of Pitbull, so definitely let me know real quickly. But guys, also thing, I see a lot of people. What is the best exchange that you can use here? You can find in the description what I think. And also, by the way, I'm using a lot of Femex, also using a lot of Bybit. So definitely make sure to sign up with both in the description here. Would be of course very amazing. But I can't have Kevin. That's pretty unfortunate. First, Aaron, have you already checked? Have you already reviewed Crypto.com? Yes, definitely one of the loveliest assets. But I will be discussing it later on, probably as well once again, for how long the stream will continue, of course. But first, guys, a very, very important thing that I do want to discuss here. A very important thing that I do have to discuss here. Check out hashtag trending one Binance Smart Chain Pitbull. So let me check it in a second. So what is a good time to long ADA? So we'll be going into that as well here, because first I want to be discussing the dollar index, guys. This is one of the biggest enemies of Bitcoin, and also the reason why Bitcoin is surging today, guys. Of course, not the whole day, but for the past hours, look at the previous hours of the dollar index. Finally, we're cooling off once again, because we're getting pretty overextended on the dollar index. And always, once the dollar index is falling, we can see that the Bitcoin price is rising once again. So that's always a good thing to see. But what we can see currently, this is really a thing I was not expecting here. We were crushing through this resistance. We were finding support, but right now we're getting rejected. So yeah, we are trading on support once again. We're trading at very critical support. So let's see if the dollar index can be holding up. I definitely don't hope so, because the lower we're going with the dollar index, the lower we are going to go for, the higher we're going to go for the Bitcoin price. Because the lower the dollar index is going, the more power it surges to Bitcoin. So very excited that we're finally seeing cool-off periods getting started. We're creating bearish divergences once going higher. So yeah, I mean, it totally doesn't make sense that the dollar index is going higher where we are just printing a lot of money. So we have to search it up how it is working, but I know how it is working. But of course, it's just purely fate that is returning into the market. But yeah, what we're currently having is is also very lovely to see. Also, if you look to the scenario here, yes, we are breaking the stealth uptrend for the dollar index. So probably we're going to see maybe a move down getting created here, or maybe a downwards moving momentum phase getting started is definitely a good thing for Bitcoin for the coming week. So let's see what it will be doing here. So someone was also asking me, what is a good time to long your ADA? So yes, it's a very good question. Man, guys, please don't spam. Please don't spam in the chat. Please don't spam in the chat. And is this people? I don't know. I will be checking it in a second, guys. I mean, a lot of people are spamming about it. Please don't spam in the chat because then I will be not looking into it. But yeah, if you look to Cardano, what is a good time to long here? I definitely think good times to long here are already the best times are already done, because I don't think that we're going to go necessarily below this level anytime soon anymore. And then once I'm saying anytime soon here, I don't think that we're probably not going to do it anymore. So we're clearing this level, so this is looking very good. We're each and every time, if you zoom out, by the way, we're sending higher lows each and every time, guys. So if you're buying into these lows, you're doing an extremely good job here. And of course, it's definitely a thing that I'm doing. So yeah, what you can see right now, and what is also a good time to long in my opinion, is of course once reaching the gray box of support is a very good level to long, because previous resistance will be flipping into very strong support. So this level, what I'm talking about, is approximately $1.24 here. So if you're looking to long, I should be waiting. You should not be marketing right now into it. And if you're opening a trade, please use low leverage. And if you want to support the channel as well, and if you want to help out yourself, basically, because of course you're supporting the channel, but in the end of the day, you're helping yourself. You can also sign up with the referral link in the description, because then you're getting the best bonus ever possible on Famex. On Bybit is also a very good bonus, approximately $300, but on Famex it's $680 in bonus. So if you want to sign up over there, definitely a recommendation in my opinion. Definitely make sure to do so, because if you want to trade, why should you not get the welcome bonus as well there? So there are a lot of good things of that. So definitely make sure to do so. So oh, I'm getting called at the moment. I'm getting called. I'll be not taking this up. Why? I will be not taking up. Why should I pick up the phone right now? There's nothing that I will be doing right now. So Agor also calling me. Agor saying, 1 hour asking of what do you think about VTHO. Here we go. So I've not seen it yet, and of course once I'm seeing it, I mean, there are so many requests coming in, my friend. I definitely want to discuss every single thing here. I definitely want to discuss it, but sometimes there are so many requests, and I've definitely had checked it. If I was not doing anything here, I definitely had checked it. But bro, I will be checking it right now for you. Thank you for support of the donation, of course. If you look to the VTHO, this is definitely a thing that is looking very good. The price chart of VTHO is right now looking good, and I was already discussing this level multiple times on the channel here. You can see previous resistance here flipping into support. So that's absolutely a lovely thing to see, because you can see previous resistance flipping it into support is usually a very bullish signal. So what we are also having here, if I just zoom in a little bit more to what we were previously doing up here, we were saying a higher high but lower high in the RSI. So yeah, you were creating, oh yeah, wait, you were not creating a lower high, excuse me. On the daily, you were creating a lower high. So on the daily, this was a bearish divergence. So that's definitely a thing that you want to keep an eye out on, because this is basically spending you. Yes, we were pretty overextended. Yes, the momentum of the buyers is cooling down here. And what does it mean? Is this maybe telling me that we're going to cool off with the market? And yes, I do think that VTHO, even though it's a very good project, even though it is going up so quickly, I definitely think that we're probably going to see a lot of sideways action right now. I definitely think that we're going to see a lot of sideways action before really creating a new leg up here. Maybe some kind of a pattern unfolding, because currently, yes, we were, of course, first anticipating some other things here, because there's also highly a possibility that you're maybe creating some kind of, that you were creating maybe some kind of a bull flag, and that you're right now retesting it. Yes, there's a possibility that you're doing so, but I think this one is on the 4 hour, and I think I don't really like it because it's already way too long over here, and I don't really like it. So yeah, you are having perfect previous resistance flipping into support, and that's of course a very lovely thing to see. And are we going to see this move up getting created? I don't think that we're going to see all the significance playing out once again, and the reason why I'm saying this is basically because of the daily bearish divergence, because we're cooling off. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do here. And VTHO, yeah, definitely think we're going to move higher. So Lewis also donating to the channel. You're saying, please check AGI Singularity Net. What are the targets? What are the targets? Let me check it for you, bro. Truly, this coin pretty not new to the market. Not new to the market, so let me get familiar with this coin, because I don't know it yet. I don't clearly know it yet here. Sitting around P150, of course. Upcoming coin here. You can see pretty stealth run up here recently. Pretty stealth run up here. So what are we currently having here? Let me check it. So this coin, we're also previously finding this previous resistance. This was resistance multiple times, finding support on it. And let me also set up an extension tool in the Fibonacci. And I see, by the way, Justin, thank you for your $50. And I will be, thank you so much, bro. But I will be checking Pitbull in a second. Give me a moment. After this one, I will be checking Pit Bullish on Twitter. I will be checking it because maybe we have to flip bullish as well. Maybe we have to flip bullish as well. And thank you for supporting the channel, of course. Truly lovely to see. Dustin, I will be checking it. Give me a moment. So yeah, if you look to this chart here, what are the targets? Of course, definitely lovely to see here. Breaking through this 1.618 here, moving higher. I think we can be, of course, right now creating the follow through towards 2.618. It is looking very bullish in my opinion. This coin is definitely heading higher. So 60 cents will be the next target. And of course, the major support target is sitting around 41 cents here. So let's see what we're going to do. But first, guys, I will be going to the hashtag Pit Bullish. So yes, we are going to go to Pit Bullish. So what are we having here? So Pitbull token, Pit Bullish out on Twitter. So yeah, what are we doing? What are we doing with this coin? This is absolutely going to it's absolutely moving right now. It seems like. Everyone is talking about it. Bitcoin smart chain trillionaire. So let me check it. This is of course the tag. Latest. What are people talking about? About to blow up here. What is this? 1 trillion pit to the lucky person. So I don't absolutely reading something new here, guys. Probably you as well. I'm very bad at multitasking, to be honest. So we let the bulls out. So I don't know. Still, I don't know what it exactly is. It's on Telegram, etc. It's at Pit. So it's currently not. It's not over here. Pitbull is not over here yet. It's not it's not on TradingView. It's also not on CoinMarketCap. It's also not on CoinGecko. A little bit shady, to be honest. We both crushed the market. Pit Bullish, guys. Everyone is saying, please spam in the chat, bro. But yes, everyone is talking about Pit Bullish. Everyone is Pit Bullish here. So I don't know what it is, to be honest, guys. But yeah, thank you for your support of the nation. Pit on Whitebit. Listing date called confirmed. Everyone is Pit Bullish. Everyone is Pit Bullish in the chat. So truly lovely to see, of course, guys. Don't know what it is. I definitely have to do my research outside of the stream here because otherwise this whole stream is going to go about this. But yeah, looking forward to it. Listing confirmed for next week. So I don't know exactly what it is. Still have to do my research, but it seems to be very bullish. It seems to be very bullish, guys. So also see if I have some notifications here. And guys, also if you haven't followed me already on Twitter, make sure to do so because we are so close for reaching that 4K followers on Twitter. And I was also telling you, ADA is blasting off, of course, not very interesting tweet to be honest. But usually I'm talking very interesting things. Of course, really depends what your how you're anticipated. And also here, Bitcoin will be setting a new all-time high in 5 days. And I still be staying, so we have another 2 days, guys, before yeah, failing our prediction. So I still think it will be a good prediction. And I see a big shout out to everyone who's right now currently following me over here. So Peter Mays, thank you for following the channel. And guys, are you do I have to tweet something about Pitbull? Let me know real quickly because I can do a tweet. I can do a tweet if you want me to. Let me know in the chat if you want me. So yeah, very excited. Let me go back into the charts because in the end of the day we are here to talk charts, guys. But if you want me to check something, if you want me to tweet something about that Pitbull or so, I can definitely do so if you want me. So yeah, looking forward to see what it's going to do here. And if you look to the 1 hour time frame, by the way, guys, this is of course very critical resistance. And this is of course maybe a little bit concerning for people who are right now currently looking at Bitcoin. You want to be a little bit concerning at the moment. You want to be a little bit concerning because this looks like that we are once again fighting resistance at this level. And we definitely can maybe see a yeah, correction coming in here. And that will be of course very, very bearish. And also getting another super chat here. Let me see if it can go up into the stream right now. It is not showing up. Oh, damn it. So let me check it real quickly. I have to fix it. Sometimes I don't see it. So thank you for support of the nation. We'll be right away looking into it, who it was real quickly. It was from Timo. Thank you so much. And you're saying, can you check Feta or Anchor? So let me check Feta because I think Feta is more exciting. I think Feta is way more exciting. So let me check it. So everyone is saying tweet Pitbull, tweet Pitbull. Just read about Pitbull after you do research. That's definitely a thing. Maybe I first have to do research because I don't going to boost. I mean, I don't really think I can boost it, but I won't be boosting anything before doing my my research, of course, about it. But Rust Farmer, you're saying exactly the same what I will be saying here, and that's also the point here, guys. Pitbull has all these signs of a scam, and that is true. That is true, and that is also the reason why I want to be careful. And probably a lot of people are going to say right now in the chat, no, it's no scam. But I mean, I also just like about SafeMoon. SafeMoon, I was not really liking it because a lot of people were saying it in the chat. And Rust Farmer, you're completely right. And this is once again a thing that I will be saying. I'm definitely not going to buy it. I'm definitely not going to buy it. It seems like you can't find it anywhere. You can't find this coin anywhere, and I don't want to promote it or so because yeah, people are donating to the channel. They're asking me about Pitbull, etc. But guys, please be careful. Do your own due diligence. Do your own research before buying into coins because there are so many scam projects. There are so many scam projects, and if you're buying into coins. With low market cap especially, you can get wrecked so significantly because there are a lot of scam projects. So please don't do so. They're trying to steal your Bitcoin. They're trying to steal your Ethereum. So please think twice before buying into it. And Rust Farmer, thank you for letting the channel know once again because you are also a true legend once again. I'm not saying that it's a scam because I haven't done my research yet, guys. I haven't done my research yet. So of course I will be conservative with saying with what I will be about to say. But yeah, let's see what it's going to do here. Let's see what it is about to do here. But I want to be very careful with these projects. So what you're currently also having here for the price section of PETA, because we are right now looking at PETA, guys. And of course, someone was donating to the channel and he was asking, can you check PETA? And of course, I can check PETA. And what we are currently seeing is very interesting. Looking at the 1 hourly candles, we are seeing a descending triangle, guys. And what do you know about the descending triangle? It's more likely to break to the downside. And my reason to believe that we are going to see a breakdown is also only more likely than to see a move to the upside, to be honest, because we are extremely overextended. And just like we were discussing with other projects, and damn it, man, I'm not going to say it because otherwise Pitbull is not a scam. I think a lot of these people in the chat can be bots. I mean, I'm not saying anything. But it's definitely a possibility, guys. Even though they can say no, no, it's not a scam or so because they're all programmed. So. Not saying that you guys are all a scam here, because also, and of course, an amazing super chat, but I'm going to be very conservative before doing my research because it just absolutely came out of nowhere. This coin right away got hyped. I don't know where it was, but let me know because first we were not seeing anyone talking about it, and just in a matter of a few seconds we were seeing all kinds of people tuning in here. So G-Dog also is saying thank you, Dan, and thank you so much for donating to the channel once again. 10 euros. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And I see that you can't see the thing popping up right now, and right now it should be working once again. Let me fix this correctly. So yeah, like this. Okay, everything should be working once again. So I'm sorry. Everything should be working. I have to redraw this a little bit here. I have to be a little bit creative, of course. I have to be a little bit creative. Yeah, like this. So, yeah, thank you. No problem. So let me discuss further. And it will be... It's literally not working for me. It's so annoying. So annoying. So I will be doing it like this. Sorry for me being being like this. I want to do it right, and I can't do it right, so that's very annoying. So I will be disabling this real quickly. I will be fixing this after stream. For now, it doesn't matter. So I was looking at the chat as well here. Join our Telegram and see for yourself. I mean, I will be not doing it live to stream, guys. I will be doing my research after stream. Tomorrow, I will be back with a new video as well. I'm not saying that I'm going to go away from now, but tomorrow I will be back with another video. Tomorrow I will be back with some other things as well. So yeah, before tomorrow, I did my research. So definitely make sure, if you haven't already, and the thing that I want to be saying, I will be going into Feta. But guys, we're exactly 4 more subscribers. So we are just about to hit the 30.9k, guys. Here, we're exactly 4 subscribers away here before reaching it. So if you want to support the channel right now here, make sure to smash up the subscriber buttons. That would be, of course, very amazing if we can do so, because then we are smashing it up to 30.9k, and that is definitely a thing that I love to see here. So guys, can we smash up another 4 subscribers? And that would be, of course, very amazing, because then we're finally reaching the 30.9k. So close to 31 already. Let's see if we can do it anytime soon here. So, would be, of course, very amazing. And if you subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comments, because that's very cool, right? So, Dino, also supporting the channel, you're saying, hey, bro, for enjoying the streams like always, you're absolutely legends. Can you check A for me? Creeds. Of course, I will be checking A. Give me a moment. I will be going into Feta, and after that, we'll be going into Ave, and after that, we'll be going to Stella Loomis, because Member for Life is saying Stella Loomis transfer and network issues causing it to lag. That's pretty unfortunate. That's pretty unfortunate. But yeah, Feta, I was discussing Feta, and I was about to say that I think it has more likelihood to move to the downside than move to the upside, because we already broke the parabolic trend up here. As you can see, we were going exponentially to the upside, but since we were breaking the parabolic trend, we were just, yeah, right now cooling off, of course, creating this descending triangle here, and definitely think that we're probably going to see some kind of, and I see a lot of people are saying subscribe to the channel. So Rahul, thank you for supporting the channel. I see all kinds of people saying right now subscribe to the channel. Your subscriber count is also very bullish. That's completely true. So yeah, if you look to Fetacoin, you can see, in my opinion, it's more likely to go off here, because you are creating a bearish pattern, because a descending triangle is a very bearish bias pattern, and you're right now seeing that it is coming to an apex, so it will be breaking out anytime soon here within the coming day. So breakdown, of course, can be pushing Feta towards the $7.50, and a push up, of course, can be pushing it back to $15. So if I look at the weekly time frame, you can see weekly is extremely overextended, and that is the reason for me to believe that we're going to cool off here. Definitely going to see maybe a minor move to the downside getting created, so you want to be careful with Feta at the moment, guys. So then let me discuss Ave. And I see Russ Farmer also once again became a member of the channel. I thought you were already a member, but you, of course, I think it expired or so. But thank you so much for supporting the channel once again, Russ Farmer. Truly lovely to see once again supporting the channel, and always good to know. Always good to know. Welcome, Russ Farmer. Or were you not a supporter yet? I don't know. But thank you so much for supporting the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much, Dan. So, what are we having with Ave? And we were discussing Ave as well, because Ave was creating a huge descending triangle, and it will be flipping this to the 4-hour, and it's very hard to see because it's such a big pattern. Descending triangle getting created on the 4-hour. The higher the time frame, the more significant it will be showing you. And since seeing the breakout, we were already discussing this. I don't think that we're going to go literally to all-time highs in just a matter of a few hours. It's just a matter of a few minutes. No, this will be absolutely taking weeks probably before reaching this. Oh, I'm saying weeks, but I don't think it will be taking that long, but it will be taking quite a while before really reaching this target. So, yeah, it will be definitely heading higher, but it will be going up in steps, guys. And the price target of this descending triangle is sitting around the $630. Definitely think that we are going to reach it anytime soon here. Don't know it when we're going to reach it, but yes, it will be. This target will be getting reached there. Finally breaking this critical downward sloping resistance line, and I think we're going to move up, guys. And I see so many super chats coming in here. I don't know where to start, guys. But yeah, thank you everyone who is supporting the channel. Truly lovely. So let me see real quickly here. So Dino, hopefully it will be benefiting for you. But yeah, you were asking me, can you check Ave? Yes, of course, and it looks very bullish to me. It doesn't look very bearish, and if I flip it all away, and if I just look to the chart purely in a different way, if I look to the chart in a different way, maybe set up a Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low, you can see that we are probably going to find very significant resistance at multiple levels here. Of course, already, yeah, we are not seeing a lot of significance at this chart at the moment, but yeah, you can see here getting stopped. Oh, damn it. you can see over here we were getting stopped out of here, and we're right now finding around the 0.382. So let's see if we're going to see some more significance getting created on the Fibonacci as well. But yeah, in general, it is looking very good. And if I flip on to the indicators, if I look to the EMA ribbon, the EMA ribbon gave us a long signal once again here, even though we were going sideways. And once you're going sideways, you're usually seeing these periods of short and long signals coming all together. But yeah, you're right now currently finding very good support at the 20-day EMA. And also, if I flip it to the daily, you're above it once again. So basically, what this means here is that you're in a general uptrend. So that's, of course, very lovely to see. And so the 20-day moving average is also crossing you. This is not the 20-day moving average. So yeah, the 20-day moving average is also once again flipping bullish, looking very good. And for you, I will be also quickly looking at the MACD here, because I think it also will be very important. So if you look at the MACD, you can see we are currently having this bullish crossover already. It already happened over here. So daily MACD gave us a bullish crossover already over here, guys. And that's, of course, very lovely to see. It is not very significant while I draw it. So already over here, you can see bullish crossover in the MACD came out here. And definitely think this will be yeah, very, very good here, because you can also see in the MACD, if I make it a little bit bigger, if I go away with my head, you can see momentum is gaining to the upside. You can see the sellers are cooling up. We're basically heading towards a new wave to the upside. Maybe we're going to see minor corrections, but definitely I think AVE will be heading way, way higher, guys. It is looking very good. So let's see where it is heading towards. So let me go into the different requests. So Basket Coin BSKT. So Normat, thank you for supporting the channel. Of course, guys, if you donated or so, we'll be checking everything, but give me a second, because there's so many requests coming in here. So you're talking about Basket Coin, and did you not already previously requested this one as well? So my friend Nomad, thank you for supporting the channel, but I can't really give my opinion about this one. Literally no information on it. I will always make screenshot about these coins, because I think it is definitely very important. Yes, you already, someone also yeah, asked me to look at Basket Coin, but I will be doing my research after the stream, guys. Can't do it right now, because otherwise the whole stream will be only doing research, and that's not nice, right? I mean, yeah, that's not, I mean, it's nice. I mean, I would love it. Maybe I could do it one day, just a research stream about some altcoin projects, but for now, we're just going to do it just like the standard crypto rover way. So then Member for Life was also talking about a Chainlink breakout. So yeah, Chainlink is absolutely mooning right now, guys. It's absolutely insane to see. So yes, yeah, we are seeing a Chainlink breakout. We were discussing this level, ascending triangle. We were seeing this pattern, and of course, we were saying to you guys as well, please wait until we're going to close the 4-hourly candle above it. Yeah, the previous one was of course a big wick to the upside, but for now on, it is looking very strong here. Chainlink is heading higher, and this is also my reason to believe. Yes, we are clearing this very critical level of resistance, and yes, we are heading towards this this top over here. So let's see if we can reach it anytime soon here, guys. Let's see if we can be smashing through this level, and that would be, of course, very amazing. So getting very exciting, of course, if I look to the Chainlink price section. So yes, it is breaking through, and I definitely think it can go way, way higher, guys. We are just starting with Link. We're just getting started, and go to Ethereum Classic, Ilya is saying. So, of course, Ilya will be going to Ethereum Classic for you. Let me go right away if I missed up anything. No, I think that's everything. And Danielle, thank you for supporting the channel once again. I will be going into your request also, because that's a very good one and also very important, Danielle. I don't know if I pronounced your name correct. I know how we pronounce it in the Netherlands, but we are an international channel, of course. So if you look to the Ethereum Classic chart, we were discussing this early on as well, because we had a very critical level that we had to break through here. Multiple levels, multiple times of very major resistance, guys. We were getting held back so many times. And yeah, finally, since breaking through, of course, we created huge follow through, and of course, found support over here. So yeah, what we are right now doing here is also very lovely to see, because we're currently crushing through the previous high. This is not the all-time high, or is this? No, this is not the all-time high, as you can see, because I know this coin. I bought this one in 2018. I don't know why, but I was 2017. I mean, but I don't know why, because I don't really like the fundamental worth of it. But yeah, still, I made very good gains. But yeah, I still got a mine a bit of it, not a lot. I mean, I bought in the bear market. I was buying all kinds of random projects, but yeah, still hold a little bit of it. I mean, not very significant gains. Bought it at around $6 or $7. But yeah, you can see it's only a 200% pump, and of course, I can't complain. 200% is very nice. But if you look at how long it took compared to other projects, no, it's lagging behind. It's not the best project that you can be invested in. I definitely think it can be going way higher, guys. I'm saying I don't really like it, to be honest, but yeah, we are right now finally crushing through this previous high. Yeah, probably going to create more volatility, but at the end of the day, I don't think this is a very good coin to get exposed to, because it won't be giving you the best returns in this bull run. Probably heading towards the $50 or so, but I mean, please be careful with these coins. I don't really like these coins, to be honest. They're just these are just lacking coins. These coins are lacking, and you can be better off with other projects. Even though right now you're very good profits probably if you're selling out over here. Of course, it's no financial advice, but yeah, we're crushing through critical levels. Definitely heading higher probably, in my opinion. So yeah, let's see what we will be doing here. And if you bought at $6, yeah, you're doing an insane job, because probably it's heading towards $50 anytime soon here. So let's see what Ethereum Classic can do here. Immediate short term is looking very good. So let's then go to ADA, because Danielle, you're asking me when is the best time to take profits on our ADA. So by the way, Raymond, you're saying bro, for Duracell YouTuber 12 TAs an hour. Raymond, you're a funny guy. You're a funny guy. You're a very funny guy. So, guys, maybe sometimes people are saying, dang, you talk way too fast here. But, guys, there's so many things to discuss, and we just have not a limited time. We don't have a limited time. So, that's the point here. So, Once I'm looking to the price section of Cardano, guys, what are we having here? What are we having for Cardano? Hey, you, Daniela, you were telling me, when are you going to scale out of Cardano? And my strategy with Cardano is, I think one of the better ones. I already planned it out completely. $5 will be my level where I will be taking a 50% out. 50% out because I think that can be the top already, $5. But of course, if we're heading higher, I still have 50% in my bag. And every time, once we're reaching $1 higher, I will be taking out another 20% of that current portfolio. So it will be becoming less and less and less. And I'm scaling out of the market. And the reason why I should be cashing out around $5, guys, I bought at 6 cents. I bought at 6 and 4 cents. I mean, sometimes you want to be happy with your profits. You want to be happy with your profits. I mean, yeah, I did not even did the math yet there, but that's absolutely an insane increasement in price. So, of course, really depends on your own strategy as well here. But I mean, $5 is definitely a target that I will be looking to go out of ADA because I think it is getting pretty overextended if we're reaching the $5. But still, it is pretty reachable. It's very reachable, and I think we're definitely going to do it because we're going to see, in my opinion, still 5x from this point. And ADA already pumped pretty significantly to the upside. So that's my reason why I say a little bit less of 5x from here on. So yeah, $5 is definitely my target that I will be going out of partially going out of 88. So definitely keep an eye out on that. And by the way, yeah, we by the way also reached, of course, already reached it. But thank you also still for reaching the 30.9K, guys. It's really lovely to see. Thank you so much for supporting the channel once again. And yeah, I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. So let me see. Welcome to the stream. Love you, man. No problem. I love you guys all here in the chat. Everyone. I mean, if you're not even in the chat or you're in the Discord server, wherever you are, I love you all, guys. You have to know it. For the community, we're doing this all together. Let me see. When do you think we will be reaching the $5, broski? So when do I think? Right now, I'm going into predictions or so. I mean, I don't really like to do predictions, to be honest, because for me, of course, I find it important to look at the bigger picture, but predicting still, yeah, I don't like speculating, you know? Of course, maybe people are calling Bitcoin is speculation. Bitcoin is a huge speculation thing, but I mean, I see the fundamental worth of it, so it's different. But when are we going to reach? I know the point here is I'm saying, yeah, we're going to reach the $5. But when is a very hard question. But I know one thing for sure. I can give you a time window, and that is approximately between 1 and 4 months. 1 and 4 months is definitely the target that we're going to reach it. So within 120 days, we're going to see $5. Within 120 days, we're going to see $5. So, I mean, yeah, you're right now in a phase where you can be growing exponentially. So why should you stay on the sidelines right now in crypto, guys? I mean, you're literally... I mean, I should get exposed right now. I should get exposed to crypto right now. I should not be waiting on the sidelines. I should be running into it right now. But yeah, I mean, 120 days at maximum. When did you start YouTube? I want to know if I'm OG subscriber. I mean, you can see it over here. We joined the channel the 3rd of January, but I started to make my first video because I already made the channel, was thinking about it, etc. The first video was being made on February, beginning of February. So we just started off the channel, guys. Already reaching the 31K subscribers. Absolutely lovely. And let me know, by the way, if you love these quick updates, because once I don't have time to stream, because in the end of the day, I love to stream. I want to do it every single day, but sometimes my schedule is just a little bit tight, and I have, let's say, 20 or 30 minutes spare, and I won't be streaming for 30 minutes because I don't think that's really good. But what I will be doing here is just making quick updates. I want to do it more often because it seems to do. The people that are reacting in the comments, they seem to love it. So let me know in the questions real quickly in the comment section. I mean, if you also love it, because then I will be making more of these quick updates here, because I think it's very important, because I mean, it's very important, but then I can still keep you guys up to date what I'm currently thinking, or once I'm seeing some very interesting things here. And still, you can be checking the videos after the stream, because I think the XRP one is very interesting. So yeah, let me know if you joined it, if you love it. So member for life, you are saying, how high can EGLD go and Engine, which has the more potential? I think EGLD has at the moment more potential than Engine. And the reason why is because EGLD already consolidated over here. EGLD consolidated over here. So, Rove checked the Ethereum compared to a Bitcoin chart. We might have a breakout of the ascending triangle. Shara will be checking it in a second. we'll be checking it later on. That's insane. I think you're Dutch. Yes, I'm definitely Dutch. For everyone who is Dutch as well here, very cool. Very good. What is the critical resist level before we have to place our long? So on Bitcoin. So guys, let me check that as well in a second. Let me check this as well in a second. So EGLD, you're basically asking me for a prediction and how high it can go. I think it can be heading towards $1,000. I definitely think it's reachable for EGLD, but this is also once again in the time window of 120 days at maximum. But $1,000 is once again a very conservative prediction in my opinion. So the reason why I think that EGLD can go higher is because EGLD already consolidated very well, and even though I also like Engine because I think the NFTs are just starting off and it can also be way bigger, I still think for the coming bull run, I think EGLD looks more solid because it already had this run up earlier than Engine, and Engine is just extremely overextended at the moment. And if you look to EGLD on the weekly, you can see it is still overextended, but it is already cooled off where Engine is still standing pretty high. So that's the reason why I do think that EGLD can be going a little bit higher than Engine at this point at least. So then a lot of people are you still exposed to Shift Network? Yes. I'm still exposed to it. I still appreciate stream. Thank you. Gotta appreciate the uploads as well. Yeah, sorry, I was not looking into it yet. Sorry. Let me see. Gotta watch out. Thanks for the support. We will come back with the results later on. Yes, of course. Love the quick updates. Oh, guys, so lovely to hear, guys. So lovely to hear all this comeback. So, someone was talking about. Oh, it was Sharo, right? Yes, Sharo. You were talking about. This ascending triangle, and someone is also saying, hey bro, what do you think about being overexposed to altcoins and not having either Bitcoin or Ethereum? I think that's very bad. I have to admit to you, want to be honest with you guys and transparent, soon I will be making a portfolio video as well if I have some more spare time, but I'm maybe also a little bit more overexposed to altcoins, but still I have in my let's say in my top 6 of my cryptos, I have the Bitcoin and Ethereum is there, but they're not in my top 3. They're currently not in my top 3 of my biggest holdings. But yeah, I think it's very bad to be overexposed to altcoins, and you're also saying in that particular scenario that you're not exposed to Ethereum and Bitcoin. I think that's very bad. Of course, I still think that I'm relatively big exposed to Bitcoin and Ethereum, but in the end of the day, I'm trying to gain money with the altcoins and scale them into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that is also the strategy that I will be using here, and also gaining interest with YOD app, etc. But yeah, I mean, in the end of the day, you're accumulating altcoins to accumulate more money, and with that money that you're accumulating, you should be buying more Bitcoin. Of course, it's always your own decision. But yeah, let's see. And so let me see real quickly, because first, Sharo was saying, what do you think about the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, and then the ascending triangle? So what will we have right here? Yes, we are having an ascending triangle, and that's definitely a good thing that you notice here. So Sharo, big shout out to you, of course. Let me draw this perfectly. I'm very, this is not very perfect rune, of course. Let me draw this a little bit better. Of course, let me use it in the horizontal left because I want to draw this very nice. I don't like it otherwise. So yeah, what you're currently having here is an ascending triangle here on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, and this is right now spelling you that Ethereum can be gaining a little bit more. Ethereum can be gaining and gaining some territory and back compared to Bitcoin, so that's also my reason to believe that we can be heading a little bit higher. So let's see what we're going to do here. Definitely think that Ethereum can be gaining a little bit more strength to the upside. Because of this, this is looking very good, Shellro. I definitely think that we can be heading higher. So let's see what the Ethereum price action will be doing. Do you think BNB can go much higher this month? Yes, definitely. BNB will be going way higher. XRP possibility is heading towards $3 in a very quick pace, in my opinion. How do you put a live video? Wait, how can you put live video in 2x speed? No, that's not possible. That's not possible. That's not possible. And the doorbell is ringing about me, and I have to do something later on today. But I think someone else is home as well, so these guys have to open. So it might be a fake out, but always looks good. Yeah, I mean, Cheryl, always good to see. And the reason to believe that I don't think it's really a fake out, to be honest, because if I zoom out a little bit here, and I like to zoom out, guys, I like to zoom out of charts. You can see here, previous stop, finding support on this level is looking extremely bullish. I think we can be heading hard, that we can be heading higher from here on. So let's see what we're going to do here. But guys, a thing that I have to do here is, of course, I would have loved to do a way longer stream here today, But unfortunately, I have to wrap up the stream right now because I have to head out here, guys. I mean, I'm honestly sorry, but tomorrow you can already expect from me some things here. I will be right away saying it to you guys. So for everyone who is not subscribed to the channel yet here, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now here, because tomorrow I will be back, of course, with a new live stream. But besides of that, I will be also uploading a couple videos. I will be uploading a video about Chainlink, because I see also some very extra things about Chainlink. Maybe about an extra project that I'm currently accumulating myself. And it's maybe also the gem, what we were earlier today also discussing about basket, coin, etc. So you can be expecting some extra videos from me tomorrow as well. But guys, it was an amazing day here, amazing stream today, and let me know if you enjoyed it. And we'll be going into the last request here from Elena, because I see you've donated to the channel. Of course, I appreciate it a lot, so I will be going into sell for you. And after that, guys, I will be wrapping up the stream. But if you haven't already, and if you want to stay notified, make sure to also hit that bell notification. And right away, Salius Network. It seems very cool, my friend Alina, but at the moment I don't have a lot of information about this one. I don't have a lot of information. Recently got launched on TradingView, so please, next time if you're requesting some coins, make sure there is enough information about it on TradingView, because otherwise I can't give you my technical analysis on it. So, Alina, I'm sorry, but I can't really give my opinion about this one. So guys, it was an amazing video, amazing stream. We'll check you guys back tomorrow, and make sure to tune into the videos tomorrow. So peace out, everyone.